Hey everyone, guess where we are? We are at the newly renovated Rio, and we are in one of their renovated rooms. And I am so impressed. So Johnny and I came here about a year ago for the first time. No, 2 years ago maybe. We needed a room one night and everything on the strip was really busy. And so this is the only thing we could get for that one night until we could get over to Caesars, because you guys know we love Caesars. But this has changed. What is this? Hold on. I got to see what the heck is this? Oh, this is the refrigerator.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Whoa, okay.
That's nice.
So anyways, sorry, got off topic. This is the refrigerator, which is really neat. Totally renovated. This place looks amazing. I never would have guessed that it would look this good. Huge TV up here, big mirror. Look at this couch. It's like an L-shaped couch. You have an actual table to sit and eat. This is amazing. Nice, big, clean, comfy looking bed. Wow, whoever thought of these fixtures and things did a really good job with decorating. This looks really, really good. Now we got one of the last renovated rooms that they had, so we don't have the best view, but you can see the pool out there. It's not quite ready, but of course it's still kind of cool outside. And then we have a little bit of a strip view, so I'm sure that's gonna look real pretty at night. But wow, Rio, you have outdone yourself. I never, ever would have guessed that you would come back like this. Is this a light? This is a light. What? Yeah, so flip that switch, honey. Oh, that is, oh my gosh, all the little touches. Look at this lamp. That's so nice. Oh, here's my favorite. You guys know I like to control the temperature on my own, so that's always really important. But again, this is a king size, newly renovated room at the Rio. I'm gonna take you into the bathroom. Now, for those of you who stayed at the Rio back in the day, you probably remember that there was this weird window in the shower that everyone talks about. So we're gonna go in and see how they have fixed or updated the shower. So, oh, nice pedestal sink. Very nice. Whoa. This is a big change. This is a huge, like, walk-in shower with beautiful fixtures. And I love this glass door. Oh my goodness. Whoa, this is amazing. Wow. Again, they did a great job renovating this. This is, sorry, I just don't even know which way to turn because there's just so much to look at. But again, this is the king room, newly renovated at the Rio in Las Vegas. Huge TV, a full living room. Look at that, nice dining table for two. Just amazing how much, yeah, you could actually watch TV without sitting in the bed. Johnny's right. So we are going to get something to eat because they also have a nice new food court, which we have another video that kind of shows all of the way that it looks now, like throughout the whole hotel. So we are going to go get something to eat, and we will see you guys next time. Again, this is Lakeisha and Johnny with What's Next.